you guys. So today I'm doing something a little different for you guys. I am actually not going to be filming this video in front of this wall. This is just the intro. I have something super exciting for you guys. So today I went to Hobby Lobby and I filmed the entire thing. I went with my husband and my 2 sons, and we went and got something to eat at our favorite cheesesteak place in Virginia Beach. And we also went to Hobby Lobby and we found all kinds of cool t-shirt making stuff. It will be a treat to see all of the amazing things that they have in there. So you guys make sure that you see this video all the way through, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video and stay tuned for more videos. Check out this video right here, which is all about heat transfer paper. This was super fun. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys soon. I'm in the car with my husband and my babies, my son Milio and my baby Mario and my husband Ty. Say hi, baby. You got a special drink coming with yours, okay? Yeah, with yours. Okay?
Wait, some of this get anything, any chips?
Yep. Because of COVID, we can't sit in and wait for the food, so we gotta sit in the car. Are you excited to eat your food, baby? We got cheesesteaks, and then Milio, you got a burger?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys at Hobby Lobby. You guys, it's a lot of stuff in here. They got hoodies, 30% off, long sleeve Gildan shirts, but I can't see really how much they cost. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and film that stuff so you guys can see what's in here. You guys, they got iron-ons. You got all type of iron-on letters.
Iron on wood?
Huh?
Could you iron on wood? You can't iron on wood.
No, you can't iron on wood. You can, but you can use like it's a vinyl called $6.51. You can use that on wood. This is a foil. They got all kinds of stuff in here. That's crazy. More shirts. Like, they have so... Alright, you guys, so that was Hobby Lobby. There was a lot of really cool stuff in there. I'm really sad that a Hobby Lobby is not closer to my house. It's really far, so that sucks, but I'm glad we came out here. I wanted to bring you guys on this trip with me. Sorry the sun is in my eyes. Thank you guys for viewing this video, and see you soon.